Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to extract a perfect shot of espresso at home. So just in case you're new here, before we start, make it a point to subscribe. We're going to begin by boiling our hot water. As our water is boiling, like we know, we have three different types of brewing coffee. We have the immersion process, the extraction process, and the pour over process. So since our water is ready, let's get started. All we need is hot water and the coffee ground. Bring in the vessel where I'm going to extract our espresso. That is my cup here. Since we're home, I'll use only home things. And I'll bring my coffee here. I'll add 5 teaspoons into my cup here. One, like you see, my coffee is freshly grounded. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so after adding the coffee, I am going to add my water, and I'll pour gently onto my coffee grounds until I see that all the grounds have been saturated with the water. And that is enough water. So like we said, we are using the immersion process. I'll cover this brew for 1 minute so that it doesn't lose the heat. Remember, espresso has to be hot. After 1 minute, I'll remove the cover from our brew, like we see. Then I'll give it a little stir. Like we see, our coffee already has the cream on top. And remember, every espresso has to have a cream on top. Then after, I am going to sieve our brew. But I separate the coffee grounds from our liquid, like we see. And there we go. That is espresso there. And like you see, this is an espresso which has a cream on top that you can easily also make from home. And in my next video, I'll easily show you how you can make Spanish latte from home. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.